Good afternoon, class 9. Let us start our lesson transportation. First, let us look at the definition of transportation. Transportation is the movement of people and goods from one place to another. The word transportation comes from the Latin word transportere, meaning trans means across and portere means to carry. So, when we talk about bringing goods and people from one place to another place, the means we use, what is that called? That is called transportation. Efficient means of transportation is a prerequisite of development. Even we can call it as a lifeline for the prosperity of a nation. Good physical connectivity between the three regions of Nepal, the Rai, Hilly and Himalayas, as well as urban areas and rural areas can only boost up the economic growth of Nepal. So the country Nepal needs to concentrate more on the advancement of the transportation sector. Now, let us move to types of transportation. Land transportation. So you all know about the land transportation. I don't have to talk about it in detail. And look at the slide. Even railway also comes under land transportation, but in this lesson later we will discuss about railway in Nepal as a separate topic. Water transportation. So look at the picture. There are so many means of water transport. And you know what is water transportation? Now let us move to air transportation. So see the slide. There are so many pictures of means of air transport. You can go through them. And even you can see that cable car has been included in air transportation. We can learn about it as rope transportation or ropeway transportation too if we want to separate it. Now let us come to the last type of transportation, that is pipe transportation or pipeline transport. Okay, when we transport liquid and gas from one place to another through pipes, it is known as pipe transportation or pipeline transport. We will discuss about it in the next video. Now let us discuss about the importance of transportation one by one. Transportation ensures access of basic services and enhances quality life. Transportation ensures access of basic services and enhances quality life. We all know this, as all the goods necessary for us cannot be produced in a certain area. We need varieties of things in our everyday life, and they are easily available nearby in the shops by the means of transportation. In the same way, easy means of transport facilitates large-scale production at low cost. It gives consumer the choice to make use of different qualities of goods at different price, enhancing quality of life. Now let us move to another point. Transportation increases employment opportunities. Availability of efficient transportation facility makes it easy for human resources to find jobs of choice in their near areas. Even foreign employment, which is a part of national income of Nepal, is possible because of transportation. Even development of transportation sector in the country creates job opportunities for a number of people in the sector itself. So, transportation increases employment opportunities. Transportation helps in industrialization too. Transportation helps to transport raw materials from their place of production to the place of processing, that is factories or industries. When they are converted to finished goods again, they are transported to market with the help of different means of transportation. Thus, efficient network of transportation boosts up industrialization. Look at another point. Transportation facilitates trade, both internal and external. It means national trade as well as international trade can boost up with the help of efficient transportation. Development of transportation increases distribution of goods inside the country. The goods produced in one place can be transported to nook and corner of the nation. In the same way, import and export trade only become possible with the help of transportation facilities. Now let us look at another point. Transportation helps in the development of different infrastructures of development. Varieties of materials are required for the construction of different infrastructures inside the country. The required things can only be accumulated together by the help of transportation. The construction materials from pebbles, cement, pipes to construction manpower are brought to the site of construction by the means of transportation. So we can say that transportation, one of the basic requisite of development, helps to develop other basic requisites of development. Look at the other point. Transportation boosts up tourism sector. Most of the tourists like to visit the places which are easily accessible. As transportation links tourists with various tourist destinations, it is necessary for a nation to develop the sector to boost up tourism sector. As tourism development is more necessary for our country, we need to focus first on transportation sector that it can boost up tourism sector of our country. Now look at the last point. Transportation attracts foreign investment in different sectors. There is direct relationship between transportation facilities and investment, whether it is internal investment or external investment or foreign investment. People are attracted to invest in the place where there is proper network of transportation, as efficient network of transportation raises the mobility of labor, raw materials as well as finished goods. That is why the road corridors in Nepal are more developed in different sectors than the areas with no transportation facility. So these are the few importance we discussed. Now here is a question for practice. 1. Why is transportation considered as an important infrastructure of development? Discuss. Thank you.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. If you haven't checked out our other videos, it's in the description below.